to connect Apple Watch 10 with new iPhone, first of all, on your old iPhone, you will have to open the Watch application, go into the My Watch in the left bottom corner, and now go into the right upper corner, select All Watches, click on your Apple Watch, just right here, and now scroll all the way down and simply tap to unpair Apple Watch. Now click to unpair and just wait. As you can see right now, you will have to input password to your Apple account just to simply confirm that you really want to do this. So after you input your password, all you have to do is just to click unpair in the right upper corner. And now you will have to wait for this process. As you can see right now, we are simply removing this Apple Watch from our old iPhone, and this might take a little while, so we have to be patient and wait. And now you will actually be welcome with this first setup screen on your Apple Watch, and now you will have to basically grab your new iPhone and simply open the Watch application and start from My Watch. Then click to start pairing, tap to set up for myself or for family member. Now you will have to put your camera frame, basically align it with the viewfinder above. And once the lines goes green, it means that we hold it properly, so wait until we will get this paired information. So as you can see now, what we can do, simply set up a new Apple Watch or restore from backup. And now we got this base setup screen. Like, we'll have to set the wrist preferences between the left one and the right one. Now it will actually it will actually import the language from our iPhone to our Apple Watch, and that's how we can actually connect this Apple Watch Series 10 if you are previously connected with your old iPhone into the new iPhone. So now just make this first setup screen and it will be actually finished. Thanks for watching, and right now please subscribe.